For over 70 years, society has operated like a well-oiled machine. It's been hierarchical, process-driven, built on order and predictability. People became like cogs in a system. Society itself, a factory you could map and manage. And that system is still running today. But AI has pulled the world into a completely different rhythm. Here's the real problem. Our policies, our institutions, our education, even our sense of right and wrong are still thinking in the past. We're stuck using a machine management mindset to govern algorithms. The old logic was simple: set the rules early and make them clear, and you can contain innovation. But in the AI era, innovation happens first, and regulation scrambles to catch up. Just look at the EU AI Act. Nearly 4 years to pass, while OpenAI moved from GPT-3 to GPT-5 in less time. And then there's accountability. Who's responsible? Our current laws don't have a clear answer. Here's the mismatch. AI evolves. We still require sign-offs. Inside AI labs, models deploy autonomously. Yet in so many organizations, a project needs 7 signatures across departments to begin. We're using industrial-era logic to govern an intelligent ecosystem. Education still teaches remembering answers, but the AI era rewards asking better questions. Companies chase process stability, but AI innovation thrives on rapid experimentation. Public systems demand clear boundaries, but AI works through collaboration and blurred lines. This mismatch is fueling today's career anxiety. Our skills, degrees, experience might not hold their value like they used to. This is a real paradigm shift, from being assigned to actively shaping, from waiting for the system to adapt to stepping outside it first. So maybe it's time to think differently. The challenges from AI aren't just technological, they're systemic. From governance to business, we need to move from point-by-point decisions to systems thinking. Future policymakers should act like system architects. They need to ask not just what can AI do, but what structures does it change? Not just drawing red lines, but preserving gray space, where innovation can safely experiment. It isn't just a task for governments and companies, but for every one of us. Future opportunities won't just go to those who master one skill, but to those who understand technology, connection, humanity, and systems. AI creates, codes, and converses, yet we're stuck in 1950s management. Propose, stamp, approve. This isn't humans versus AI. It's a mismatch of speed and mindset. But that gap is where opportunity lies. Before the old order reshapes, we have space to experiment and define ourselves. You don't need to outrun AI, you just need to start moving. With one skill, one experiment. Keep learning, keep growing. Move forward at your own rhythm, with grace.